Hello guys, how you guys doing? This is your mommy Ivie, mommy Princess Ivie, eriyo Princess Ivie Obaseke, Princess of the whole universe, aka Azamama Sister BG, the leader that lead all leaders, the leader that lead every other leaders, the leader that lead with wisdom, aka Azamama Sister BG. I don't know. I say make I no say if I say I will come. If no see me, no say I tired, body no be firewood. And no say don't be sagating and I just want to create awareness, you know. Yesterday night, as we say, I quit sleep as I come from work, I can't go wake up midnight, don't be my fault. Now I gotta watch my baby papa will smile. Now I gotta watch her most go to enter my ear, they struggle with the sleep. Now I say no. What are the hear? What am I hearing? Are you not hearing me? What am I hearing? Today, I just say we come play this part. May we listen to some of the things where he talk about. No say since what ordinary by the other week they said they want lay out to mother heads. I don't know what I mean. So they say even the ground they dig till now. They never put on. Why they not put on? They say they don't go arrest her husband. Say they say her husband like by her. So and at the end of the day, me I don't know who they give from Victor. Who make vous? Hey, when you tell me on me, yeah, I'm not watching the where they make vous. I want to information where they make vous. Oh, what me boy diag bono ya no information of you because of akbari evu. Oh, ya repent or saver or work be me information. Information where you are clear or clear table clear floor or clear me clear care by or bowana mia. And I said me will be from Victor why I didn't my existence qui format for it. I will say that and now anyway, are you not hearing me? I have to listen very well. Now I got to hear buzz. Many things play for this woman's life when many people, someone like me, I don't know her. Maybe I feel no, just remember, I don't know her. Because me, I don't get anything to do with such people. And many things when they talk about her, did he fear me, put call for my body. And you as a human being, if call no entire body. And secondly, may I very quick tell you now where they travel this season. Now don't hear the update. Now I call waka for inside market or now I call say I say one brother your vest come out. He say he want one of una when they come back from Europe to Nigeria for Christmas or New Year any celebration. We don't say they come first. He said that you owe your money when you want to buy flights for Benin to from Lagos to Benin. Said that Lagos road, me no risk your life for if not. You no be me you carry come. Now another you go carry go. Sisi alariwo. Say now I go see for express road. That one no compass. Then he calls later talk say una way they bring a mina Ghana suena sui gwe. He say me no wear amo. He said, make no your trying. Who try and they pack you your own. And at the end of the day, not be really good. They say they can't beat you when you fair collect. That one pass. He say all this guangarang, Africa one they carry come. Say more no brigand. They don't want to see him. He come make sure one shoe name. Giovanni say. He said, man, no carry that shoe. Sandalili. He said, man, no carry a combo. He saw this better boutique where he say, na beyond repair. He go do like this. He said, man, no carry a combo. Na beating. And the four where they carry call when they know the grey open. He said, make I ask you, whether not go the tifa. Well, una go carry call finish. Una go send no coffee open the phone. He said, make I ask you now, whether not go the tifa for Napoli. Someone not carry all this thing come. Oh, Vicky is my key. Which way? I greet you especially. Yeah. He said they could not bring God this yama this is you. He said the guy beats it. This guy disrespect one and will get for their hands. He said one not go believe her. He said especially all this phone. Na even down in your own for hand. All this phone. I bring for you. Go say, okay, sister, open now, but open now. Don't forget. He said, like you don't forget the password. He said, make her ask una go the Tiffany. Where be every time when I bring for now, so no. He said, but not bring Renovo. The other one, all this one. He says some day set, they never get charger. If they find the if they find the charger for Nigeria, now go. Not to even talk of the reparation. He said, no, not he said for not trying, they can't disrespect one I will see for their hands. Now will next boys the vest. That one come pass. Then another new update I want to give una so una way they travel this season. I don't lead down the beg una. You see that Kaduna, Kano, Jos, Plateau, all this northern area. Mona no even trying. So now they follow by roads. Mona no try more. What I use my eyes see today. Now make me no feel sleep this afternoon when I come for work. Sleep. I don't feel sleep. I don't feel even close my eyes for what I see. I dey hear the truck book. I dey hear that one. We know say yes, that one they happen. But what we I see today, they just tie people hands back. All of them. Not be saying that one person. Now so they all carry. Whether not 2 by 2, 1 by 1, they carry 2 by 2, 1 by 1. Just they hit all of the forehead, boom. Just they buy all of them like that. In fact, which way, my mama?
I don't take any way at this road.
Then you wish. Yeah, now the same they don't carry me now. God come Nigeria. You know
that was the last also. Then they carry things go Nigeria at that time. Now tear rubber.
Yes. Yes.
Now tear rubber. That time I close Napoli big bag. You know that bag for Napoli.
Senegal bag.
Like eriyo. If you dey feed the bag not dey gree food.
I can tell you Senegal bag. Oh, thank you. Somebody just sent me God bless you. Thank you.
The back cloth with the receipt. Tear rubber. Shoe tear rubber. You got top and we hold on this.
They don't want all of them now. Say, make them not bring and come. They don't want.
Now they'll come social media, they shout, wow. They don't feel chest now. Now, school they chest on that time. The others want chest on.
Yeah. What is much?
You know now, Mama. You know now. Napoli man back. At that time when you say you go fight this that time, keep the boss, load down, three, and carry and go to reach house successfully. You know how much do they carry? They go to Nigeria at that time. Ask them now, they will use 5,000 to take person for luggage carry go house.
The China what that?
They will shout. Now, back on social media, so you sorry. You get past them, they will be insult.
Yes. Like the know. So, we want to talk about Ojaririo. What I hear, my ear pay me. So, that woman went back for Nigeria.
No.
And she said deportee.
The deporter? Which country?
Europe or Italy. Torino. So go by the deporter here, you go by Prof Comedy the yesterday because they listed to audio. I'm a blood you
depression. It by self.
No. You call this to go by Prof Comedy the list. If you don't listen,
I don't tell your side you they chop it up, you say man chop it. Okay, now they watch you now.
Okay. Oh, my love you too wicked. You say where now? Now Prof Comedy eat. Why is it going to popcorn? Now I bread at the eat all. You know me now, me and my sweet mouth. And bread though, that butter where they carry onions, vegan, now they chop. I like that butter. The chew onions for inside dry onions. Too veggie water. Before TikTok will come, let me say what veggie water. So now I come here. Maybe small thing I hear yesterday night. Now see me a cosy plan for now. What I don't hear the update. So let's go. And I don't say Ojari get sister for UK when they say she knows they okay. They say that one marry your sister husband. This is what they call Samudia. I'm not call your story. Their family story, he get as he just take day. He marry your sister husband because they had that thing. Now they say the family don't know that sister husband and they with them for his son. That is the week back. They say Ojari sister wait by wait senior this one. Wait marry that sister wait by husband. So they say when he buy when they don't bury him. They say, oh, Ojari said the sister, said the land, said the house. Later, he could go assume his sister body, go throw away the bone. Don't be let down one. Now we hear many things inside the audio. They say this woman could do chief of staff people when they borrow money out. Then from there, they say if he borrow you money, he go say you go break Kolotoro. You give and say, oh, this one, if I bring the money, I carry my gold, or I carry my bead, or I carry my house. The so Ojari allegedly go do charm put. This people, they no go fit pay back. Go seize their gold, seize their bead, seize anything when you carry, go give her. It go be put. You no go feel ask her again. Hey, allegedly. I mean, talk come on, I go yell of the for audio. No, see my mouth. I'm tired. Or I beg him no type bon. Now wait a year. Now I give una make una call, no una put una whole comment. Make we reason this matter together because they say many things there. They say even that picky when they call agency, they say not be they are really born. They say they are really not born. Not be me talking allegedly. Say evil this is sister call they tell and say no ma be a jane when leave this man since they maltreat you, they give you domestic bad boss. Now they talk about their family problem. Now they create cause the boy baby ogbe otion uno e na ho e no vivie sister o vivie mo vivie ne gume e god mother no ha hu e god son ono vi hatie bo no vi ya mo ebo e bari me na e we oriri gbe kwa me o 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 ina do revi ne maso ina do revi ne maso ina do revi ne maso oriri gbe kwa me o oriri gbe kwa me o oriri gbe kwa me o ina do revi ne maso ina do revi ne maso ina do revi ne maso o gura na we ya musago ya mu genoma ya mo sakpikan ya mo yelawa ara gele nie de e gomoda we we wala mi ije me o krima oriri gbe kwa me ima obono penu wa o ima obono penu wa o oriri gbe kwa me ima obono penu wa o ima obono penu wa o la wari no bobo me ki oni atie mostly no wa penu wa ni make una share this video share make una share this video no na make una share na make una share make una share o ijo yimi obe na jena update memory na no be small pikin update o to the wall Edutie wa mo so to for national peace to reign. Kanje. Wa mo so to for national peace to exist so ato. Ah, na general la gwe video na. Ni be mi na se me. Gwe ma vi me si mo di agoro ri gbe ko me. Oriri gbe kwa me o oriri gbe kwa me o what are you Ija I understand the word no I'm a demejimuna if me wajimuna say Sunday I take be you I go laugh for you la vidéo me cae la ok Eviro yes ma oh my here de ko me munu buena no when you flower when you flower flower no. Remember flower no one. Elaya ready, maybe like a woman. Any name job now. All right, Monitress. Oh yeah, so the journal they share, Edo is shiny. That's your way. Edo is shiny. You say, I like your live video because your analysis is very funny. Thank you so much, Zina. Oriri back woman. Ina dog heavy never so. Ina dog heavy never so. Adigi. So, a matter of the creator, audio na mi ola janode. Me, was sure me. So, now I come meet Ivie, sister Ivie, madam Ivie, movie Ivie come. A godmother, no ga weke goson. Onaga tori, onaga tiebo. Ima bono binuwa onwa mume o se kiri wari oweji o ma gun ri owe me dan won I try bo me me se bi o ogun gbaza no ma ni gbe me awa na ko dey hear different phrase story for side the matter how his sister her sister take back she say her sister went back with the sister house. Later, now she go assume the sister body, go throw away bone for Saija. Allegedly. Now we hear all of the voice out there. Egbe women who listen. Near the back baby mana because he has you now. Maybe more interesting. But ohuwa aga nana aga tu ebie aga vio ladian na gbowe mi ga gbawa. Nu wa make na we etiok paro no set you saloboa. Ero. We no bow said me, we no bow say. Or bona what make bona when Madame Ivie. Madame Ivie not devon. Even that I said, yeah, devon. I be to say bed journal. No, you lay platform to platform, ya no my ye. No, why ya moso who in Nigeria. After bathing with a moso, the very first week when she carry her leg enter Europe. E fana motina ro. Ero force na ro ero. Oriri gbe kwome o. Oriri gbe kwome o. Oriri gbe kwome o. Ina doge mi nu waso. Ina doge mi nu waso. Asha wodu wakagbe nu mana blow e problem wa. Ave madan go ba pain ani. Ave tu wa yiro go bo. Wa mayari di me. Ezebeze nuwahyaga deje wahala uwahake wahala deje wahala ave sister di poti keke ave sister ni gbasha wono ma blow vina ye gwana ni buma ye blow we are what support a palace vina wa gwana auntie brother back because I give you magi brother you know by magi me I use because push around for you. One corner, ya egbe Italy. Ibuwo. Monero line. Italy ni me. No dona wa domo jiho kan we agba shawuri. Hija, I go lie to you. Hija. We via konrege, we via poseto pasieta. Ayo jo kwije na so yere ba na ye gbona ma ni ye boyije. No we ye setiri 30 euro ni jin yari rai. Ojo kija yereba at a age. Eve bungbe ya budi do akala na we be women name. Ebe ti age rewe ihia ya wie ni gere miere wa ojo to to ala. Eve ya wa o mejo to. Ipine owa. Every given minute, ya go ya suwa nya. No etik be me go no ladi. Ultimate de ko wa never da. In me show we party me na de ko wa party o se me. Arrival wa like bewa omo. We any kako. I must person like Susie. If you never beat time for this Europe, I no go rest. Me must beat time. I must to bear a sign in your face. I bear. And I bear him because all I must beat you. I must beat you, put either Nigeria or abroad. Anywhere where I must make you, I must beat you. I must beat you. Because my poor no so boy. I must to boejo. Ima ya sa boe na gari school children. Ya bedeti. We are here no cow bono yo kere wa geweni ya. Lakpa be wono jo gori da. Non sika boa. Mais we wa me na. Mais yes ko bien. Il se me ya le la ne black boy. But the only thing you go about the ticket in no do home. He pay your hotel by He give you 600 euros, he give you 1,000 euros, he come go to no borrow. Oh, come. Oriri gbe kwome. Ina do gemi nu waso. Amana fio boju wa pe kono lu wa o la diane o mewe. Abuwa. My way na big name na name you call. Mina te wa dina bi ado hulu ya lawa. Iji me ugbe o. Mina mi ado hulu wa lawa. That why gele lawa o. All information on me na miwe. O so bo na gi wa wo le gbe lawa. Wa wo le gbe lawa. Wa la dia. Ale fan wa di bai. Na mo tie no wa roi. Wa ken na wo wa ri ele le gbe. Hello. Mona call listing. I beg I not forget to. From the go Nigeria, mona not carry go. Mona not pass carry say some people not they pass Kano, they pass Abuja. I beg as you just buy flights to Benin. Anyway, they buy your flight ticket to no try road though. Nigeria is shining. You go shine reach your tongue. If you try road, now you go tell no say you try. Not also, I not tell you. If you see what in my eyes today, if you get my WhatsApp number, inbox me, make I send you the video, make you see the way they do people for that road. Not be said they would use OCC they buy them now. Better, strong, painful, ubu, and what you know if you look. Get one with your hit for it, they made a rain as a and I was just so. You never go, you go, you say the baby to go, Nigeria, I've relocated here. This is Germany is shining. Everyone not shine. Opposite. So more listen. I don't give them my advice. Oh yeah. This one also Mujame. Where he married your sister, blood sister, the same father, the same mother. He married your sister husband in the house. Wa gbegbe shadow bono penu wa. Wa ni le se ba gbegbe. Chisu. O na gbe wa to ta. O wa ni logo bokian. But if I yar one way, who we gbe do bo kini fa na wrong way. E we gbe na. The big one is coming to hit you. I am more listening. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm not in UK. There's that's another UK. Come on, this is another UK. Don't want the UK. Oh, Samuye. Ah, come on, yes, no, that point. Birmingham. Samuye na come on, yes. No, Birmingham City.
I don't shine. I don't shine.
60 plus.
I don't shine.
Genießt den Moment. RSV könnte diesen Moment zerstören. RSV?
Do shine. Where was it in the same year? Nige na ivie boy se kawane. No we say no igwalo modene. Aga we say no la onu gbe yese. Does no we say in the same year. Nige na ivie boy se kawane. Now we say no igwalo mobume o. Aga we say no la onu gbe yese. Mawana base na u venema tavia boye se kawane na wese na umuri baba na dongo iyo kimuvena kawe iga bone vino maje baba unuwa no rasuwake so wese my baby father for a reason. Oh, don't must ba. Kalakwa mekata de si we make vous. Kuwa ki formati we va make vous. Est vele le gbe ni awodo. Get. I gather down here. Oh, when you are welcome to umenwan also. Oh, boy, I bolwe. La se baby father me eh worry what eba what baba wow who are thou? Are you a baby mama? So why are you negotiating? Why are you negotiating? Autonoma kezua fiame yeah, baby, I'm your update. Now, so my you're the with me now. You know what you need from Vito, rela, not back. You know, you're okay. You know, quote dinner or say, he, you salon from it all do. Don't tafu from it all. What do bear or Johnny me? What I was, I wouldn't do say. Or doze, what the was any. We're so baby father me and me like oh who we word on he manage word on that who allow me
Bluetooth disconnect.
I'm disconnected. I'm interested.
Yeah. Disconnect.
Get 90 o'clock or 2 now. Why are they puff call? What do damn you?
All right. Greetings to everybody that's watching me live on the right.
You are love like you. You carry love like you. Carry the yon of the answer. Do it your way.
Please help me to share this video.
Sure.
Today is another brand new saga. We just start today. Before then, I've told you guys when I drop my prophecy, when I start manifesting, I'm going to drink beer. I'm going to be. So if you see me the dance like this, don't see me. Another update to the fallouts. And I'm ready to get it. Thank you very much. Freedom man. Don't tell what they saw. We don't throw away me. Freedom man. Don't throw away for this platform. When they see you all this many months ago, many years ago, what they saw. So what they meant for? Eriyo. What talk? Of course, much I appreciate. You understand? Now, when I see this one with my platform, so
I see.
the sister of Odion Ariri, with the Birmingham City,
and
then now Osamuyi Ogbe. It is not the normal Ogbe Norigi.
Ogbe Narigi.
Yeah, their father name is called Ogbe.
Ogbe, yeah.
Their man and Penny, their owner, all those at the other side. You understand? Ogbe. It doesn't mean Ogbe Narigi.
Frank, what we are doing?
You get my point now?
Yeah.
Yes. Nika Samuel Samui, Nore UK, no matter okay. Or two when a year away, no buy the Agwe. The Agwe.
Oh, no, Bobo Agwe. Ogwe. Una mi ohun tata se.
Yes. Why I'm happy because why our ancestors.
Ogbe.
No they lie.
You go laugh for them. We are my talk, Maya.
Because there will still be a time where me will talk to will become an ancestors. You get my point now.
The body boy. Every make a do. Samuel.
Osamuyi na Odiari enough who is Odiari is state deportee. Now she be this. This is Odiari.
Share, give and love and light.
AKA sister deportee. Now deport from Torino.
Miguel Torino.
Freedom man
Torino. Miguel. Ela manje. Torino. Miguel. Miguel. Child.
Very demonic woman. Not your boy, you understand? After many human trafficking and others.
You don't mean it.
She was deported back to Nigeria.
You don't mean it.
Always say Nigeria, Algeria, now and let you go. Algeria, you want to get you bro. You
go live for them. Ogbena ferry. Kalekwa.
Osamuyi.
Orodo. Orebe me ha.
You make me to expose many things about your sister.
La expose.
The things your sister see, women can come apologize. The things your sister don't want expose. I get some audios of your sisters. Which no one make her expose.
Ask me your front.
You will make me go expose them.
Thank you for the gift.
And it will affect many people. Just already died. Your sister friends, especially the drug dealers. All those when they sell cocaine. Some of them waiting for a year. All those mamas, they're waiting for a year. This thing will affect them.
I want me to affect them.
And they will dissolve to police. If you take time. I feel on now. And I really know them can come. They can beg me, make a daddy. And you see, I say, I give her that respect. I don't play any audios ever since. You didn't feel me so?
I didn't feel you.
So, Samuyi, if you misbehave.
Or misbehave.
This matter will spread enter international. I feel on now. And it will affect you. It will affect your sister friends.
It will not affect you.
Because now their conversation gets.
People
now share this video.
This
woman, she's a very dangerous woman can ever think of your life. It's the worstest mistake anybody can choose as a friend or as a goddaughter, as a godmother, whatever you want to choose her to be. This audio. Yes. People, as I talk now, they know. After talking before, they call the date me. When I talk this thing, or they really choose to go pay a demofia and the wife, they call the sagami. And then or the demofia and the wife knows in the truth that they talk. Here, when they got attacked or something, or they really get what they got attacked, you're not baby. You're not going. You're this stubborn person and it's just to give up. And the demofia not believing in a saga, the guy away, but they really my level.
He will double tap.
But you really come to bed.
Why I'm go.
But they really doing your inner way. Arrest my case. Or tell you to know the doesn't want me to expose it to the air. She know. First, they can see the keep some. They are keep some. I will play the audio of the sister. This is Sister So with the Birmingham City. Also, we in the Birmingham City. Who told her get? No one down here boy. Yes, you listen to yourself. If you know my head on you is bigger than the one you know. Now you don't come and come let the whole world know say now the husband like back of your lady. Ladies and gentlemen, with my mic, let me on my amplifier. It's matter we don't pass the kettle. On a way I don't want it. To get to my point now.
Yes.
I'm gonna share this video.
The share. Memona guy me am you.
Where's my microphone?
Hey, you want my mic like that? From it over here. That is you.
1, 2, test.
What is this? What am I saying?
1, 2, test.
Ako. Oh, give me.
1, 2. Please like this video as you're watching this broadcast. It's going to be very educative and
what would we play the present to me?
When you watch me from Facebook, I will be leaving Facebook. I don't know if my video pin the link down on Facebook. Let me check the link of this YouTube on Facebook.
Thank you, Vicky.
Please share this video, guys.
Let's
go there. Maybe you will hear what's in this song.
Please double tap my screen. Let's listen. This is the story of the Almighty as fallen.
Ordinary is dead now. You understand? Ordinary don't buy. But Matadi, if we ordinary do, it's too plenty.
Jesus.
I bet no kuna sit down. No kuna hear matter. No kuna hear story. The sister don't come out. The family of ordinary don't come out and speak. Yes. So as she don't come speak. Me go to talk. And I will also plead
everybody go talking.
Ajeri Ariri, which is the husband of Odiariri. Ajeri Ariri, which is the husband of Odiariri. Maybe the husband of Odiariri, the man where the message station. Ajeri Ariri. If you not get a phone number, you can send that for me. Or paraventure, send my phone number to him. Make he call me.
Fear will let them call you.
This is no longer a secret
anymore. If they want to call you, I saw them in a mirror.
You don't understand? It's no longer a secret. It's already been on the public because it's not up on talk or social media. So the husband needs to come out and speak his own point of view. See what happened to the wife. According to the family of Odiariri, that the disease was being murdered by the husband. You get my point now? You go. According to the family of the disease, which is Odiariri, the disease, which is Odiariri, was being murdered by the husband. And they tried to bury Odiariri with immediate alacrity, according to the wishes of Odiariri laid on the ground before she passed on. And the family refused the demand of burying the wife. Immediately they got the man arrested, and they asked the man to explain what happened to their sister. According to the man, their sister died after suffering from brief illness. So my people, for those of you waiting for Facebook, when you watch me from Facebook, you can join my YouTube channel. Because I will be ending the Facebook, focus on the YouTube. So that we from there, diagnose the whole scenario with this solved for the Odiariri family. While I jump, go die. Oh, more, no go on. Alright. From Facebook, I will see you guys later. I'm going to be leaving Facebook now, focusing on the YouTube channel. And now, bye bye for now. Don't blame. You boy, your. Heel viel beim Sparen. Alright, people. Wato wa music na bomoje. Na kwario okado muda we. Edo ya kutawe. Obo akwe ko mu ibo eyi. Anyone even now bomoje. If I might start, let me play the video, the voice record, the speech of the family of Ojuari to the whole world. This woman called Osamuyi, who is based in Birmingham City, in UK. She started with the UK, no matter UK. We all know. A lot of people don't know Osamuyi. But for those of us who know Osamuyi, we know what Osamuyi is capable of. Osamuyi and Ojuari, the two of them, be like saying Osamuyi, who like Pastor Ojuari said. Osamuyi don't talk with Ojuari. Yes. The way Ojuari did the money, that's Osamuyi did the money. That's what they call it, the power of this. Ojuari gave a lot of siblings for Nigeria. But that's it. But they don't agree to each other. They don't agree to each other. They don't talk to each other. Now let me show Osamuyi. That's what they do. Now, let me play the video of Osamuyi, where he did an interview in a Mama Ego platform. He said, nice.
Adulterous.
She said, nobody likes him. Of their mother. The story of their mother. The character of the mother of Ajose. What happened? They all grew up in Uselu. If you Uselu, here are Ajose. Many of them did this platform in listening. They know what I'm saying. A lot of Uselu people can tell more about Ajose mother. What she did to Obi, the father of Ajose. And now, what Ajose also did to Ajeri Ariri, the husband of Ajeri.
Now they listen to story.
Now this woman is not giving a different dimension, a different story on social media. Just to see how they can prison that man, that innocent man, who has been on that spell for so long, for so many years in the hands of Ajeri. The man was cashed up with juju. And don't forget, the daughter of Ajeri, which we all know as Angel. Ajeri is not the biological mother of that girl. Ajeri has no child. When child is from good aspects,
Jesus Christ.
We get a lot of secrets that we hide for Ajeri. We will expose them. Let's go there. Let's listen to her. visa. Because my daughter don't need a Nigerian passport. Okay. She's not Nigerian, she's a British. So that was the immigration well, madam, when it depends on you have to take a visa. Where is it coming from far away to this side? I said, why don't you do it now? The other side, I didn't know where to this man married. In fact, I have to go back to. We're not share the video.
Share now.
What share the video now?
Hey, share now.
Oh, what share the video now? What was total? One information over. If you are not sure, we don't know what we want to do. We may have why share video?
Eriyo do it, but we are not
video.
Yeah, we are not
the why celebrate you got the really I want to let you have going to play. When they do like video.
As I dey follow na the talk, so they say, oh, they are ready. Where they dig, where they want to put that, you still dead there. Yeah, mommy, we have here. Our mama dey already like na ye born. Our to who ye wa. Anyway, no way, if no way by your way. Or see, or wait, or see, no way, na lele. Mo continue, I be man always.
The one they go with me. If finally wait. One free one with bondage. Why did you give to me one more? I want to do what they let me go. But I didn't know you what shameless. They matter what wounded. Oh, I even one. When you pay, you got to know why you have free bondage. You might see. If I can go, I will free. What free, eh? Oh, there is no way we know any bear to say, why are you going to at the end of the dinner? You will like us, or the really wool it. If I can, my most no one. None of them gone. All the women are spent for the really better school for my enemy. Today, there is no more. Who knows the blessed?
Oh, where? No. Also, here. Oh, my. I didn't. What because of your quad? No, Emma. Who make a view? If you are not there, you never will be a song. Yeah, I say, I come here. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Obi am bio. Like one are I can do. What more list?
Celebrate your grace. Celebrate your grace. Celebrate your grace. Celebrate your grace. We tap your anointing. We tap your anointing.
Comment do you play a free? You're from Victor. No, you said to be free.
No one will have after 12, 15 minutes after 12. 15 minutes after 12. All the way we have here for national history. If I can be witness, I'm one. I know we are good. I ask a guy, could have young.
Oh, what shearers? Oh, what in I know shearers? Oh, where shearers? Ye young bed in a away, young bed here.
They call the way we phone.
Oh, one boy, men no that, but we got a small boy, no way. Iggy Jovi, oh, they got a small boy in here. Jovi, boy, you yeah, what video? Mrs. Jovivie, a doctor's woman. Why am your boy? I'm your Viviani. Brother, la call walking. La, they said the message go. He busy in your boy, man, winner. La ya tena fuori lo do mo boni gum. But one of my bed, yeah, man. Oh, wrong. Oh, wrong. I done La bonne mon money go van. Take the elephant. If you quarrel, if you buy. I done Oh, rien bungbe. Mami is a Tori Janomo. Or where I can invitation with Nigeria Guinea. When I'm not what about my Nigeria visa, or the passport. Oh, what to boy? Oh, yeah, Nigeria visa a passport. I said Nigeria as a black person. Or what I can say invitation to Nigeria Guinea. Ah. Oh, Gugwa. Oh, what I know. You are right. I forgot. You want me. But in your talk, don't you problem in me? Yeah, your mother quick. Ivie. Man, don't be Ivie Toto. Well, I can't be. What like him? I want to carry visa again. I carry invitation again. Carry visa from Nigeria. Ah, Samu Diame. Ah, no rebeme. Ebeme.
September, September 2nd, budget Nigeria, Nigeria from June, July, August, September 2nd. When I went over, Saturday, what I had the ports, the division, what I said, oh, you mean, what I wedding. When on Saturday, and I went on Saturday, take out the airplane, or we get walking, when I want gear, when I want gear, you don't know. And when I want to, we on a gear, we walking, we have to be able to be a bottle.
Wahona, ovya himi hu. So ke lare ni ye be wina ne Manchester. So ke ovya kaba. Yes. Yes. Ah, where? What would you? Yeah, one year, but yet it one now. He said you need visa when you don't have dual nationality. Yes, you need visa. But as a black person, like me, if I'm traveling to Nigeria, I will go and take visa. And when I get there, I will pay, they will give me. I don't need invitation from Nigeria. I am not a white person. I am a circumcised citizen. I am a circumcised citizen. Imagwazoya. Water. You don't sound like that. When I reach Nigeria embassy, why I run all over maybe I don't know. He made it get born. My the continuation was
High Protein mit Magnesium und Vitamin B9 unterstützt deine Muskeln und reduziert Müdigkeit.
He said, meanwhile, a man I could drug over here. She's not in Benin, she is in the UK. While down the hall, I tell them, I say, this ordinary death, it will lead to saga. Every saga they come. Una think say remember the joke and the car. I'm gonna share this video. I'm not a joke. I'm not a joke. I know what I'm saying. I know what's that they tell you now. Let's go. Wow, if I can almost war. Wow, that is doing almost war. Make sure that you don't say leg. I don't say Saka or you take the war. Wow, we're joking, no? I told you were in. I could not. Hear this one now. He said, in the husband, Ajeri, Ariri, don't already drug as sister. Already, gradually. Now, let me underline that place first, sharply. Because we are going further to also talk about the drug aspect. Because I also go further to also say, there's an origin that concerns drug business about Odionriri and the friends who also has business in what's it called? Eriyo. In Benin. Somebody hear what I'm saying? I don't want to drag many people this saga. I don't want to drag many people. I just want to research some ways. Drug. Why that's what the drug here? Because we're drug in men.
D-R-U-N-G.
Drug. Druggetto.
D-R-U-G.
He's already drunk.
Else.
He's already drunk. Drogato. Why don't we hold? No, it's not talk. Because now it's a different commercial. And then it's not my informant snap. Full time boy, on a commission code. No, son, I need to boy. Hey, little boy. What is this? This one, hello, my love. Hello, auntie. How are you? Fine. Where's my sister? Where's my sister? All you want to go. You just where's your sister? Okay. Where is she? How are you, my love? Where's my auntie? Now, where's my sister? I keep calling her sister. Morning. 3 o'clock now. What's 4 o'clock in Nigeria? Now, where is she? Oh, auntie, mom, she's in the meeting. That is what she lied to me. Mom, she's in the meeting now. Why did she left her phone at home? She left her phone. I said, okay, since that she left her phone, she left her phone at home. No, when mom back, can you tell her that I called? Do you understand? What is that? And that's why I wait for you, man. Now I wait for you, man. Where 4 o'clock because of you are supposed to not call me back. Are you ready? 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock in a doti on a one of you. In your 12, we eat lemon.
Just so much.
I was here. What you say? What you say? What you say? I mean, wow. It's not here. You know, I'm going to go. I'm going to make what's going on here. Because all radio. Because of why we have the VSO.
Sister, we are where Bola you know.
ago, 2 months ago, 2 months ago, the husband of Ari of Odzon Ari collected $19 million. Collected his wife. 19 million. Let's continue. Now, point by point, with the trouble. But we never can tell what will happen tomorrow. That's why I said, listen to this oracle and then jot point by point. Understand? I know why they drop out. Anything can happen. And that's why I say, anybody will get the husband number, but I bet you know the husband, or if he gets in contact with the husband.
You know, talk to you now. Let the dog bury that woman.
Social media. And then we contact the husband. I'm not get issue with the husband. I know where the husband was passing through all these years. So this woman voice record now is a very big opportunity for the husband to come and speak about what happened to the wife. And things that have been labeled against her, against him, against him, he should come out and speak. Listen now. Let's continue. Was here and call out the already husband. Or who play the video. They could have come, could have given me. And me, pin my phone number down, sharply as the odds, straight down. This is very serious. Pin my phone number down. Let me call and give me idea. Should we finish this video before calling the husband, or we should call the husband now? You understand? Since we already have the husband, I already have the husband's number. Understand? My lovely fans, we God will bless. God will bless you now. Let me send me the husband number. Understand? May God bless all of you guys who want to know what's really going on about this family matter. Now the husband, useless family. They are very useless family. Listen to when the man, the ordinary man do to
that is
bliss. Now they do to your husband.
Thank you, baby.
So we know another to stand. There will not be intimidation. There will not be oppression because of the
man. The listening, no.
You don't go to play.
But me talk about allegedly.
So remember, you get my point now.
Ja, hallo.
Hallo, ich bin der Michael.
Okay, hi. Hi, Michael.
Ja, grüß dich.
Grüß
Ich bring
dich.
dir morgen Möbel. Morgen früh.
Früh wann?
Nein, ne?
Nein, ich muss 14 Uhr bin ich zu Hause, weil ich muss früh aufstehen. Ich habe Frühdienst.
Kein Problem. Ich stell das denn da in vor eure Garage, das regnet ja.
Ja, natürlich, alles klar. Dann weiß ich Bescheid. Dann hole ich ab, wenn ich zurück von Arbeit komme.
Okay.
Danke
Weil
sehr.
ich muss morgen wieder ins Sauerland fahren, nach Hause.
Ja.
Ich bin morgen ab. Und ich frage dich,
Okay.
du bist jetzt zu Hause?
Ja, ich bin jetzt zu Hause.
Ich würde mich anmelden wollen.
Ja,
weil
kannst du
ich mache jetzt
vorbeikommen, kein Problem.
Ja, weil ich wollte in die Sauna gehen.
Ja, kein Problem, alles gut.
Ja?
Ja.
Also, dass du Bescheid weißt?
Alles gut, kein Problem, ich bin zu Hause. Alles gut.
Nee, dass du weißt, ey, man läuft da rum.
Ja, natürlich.
Dauert vielleicht eine Stunde und dann bin ich wieder weg.
Alles gut. Mag
In einer
man.
Stunde. Alles klar.
Jo.
Vielen Dank.
Ja.
Bis später.
Jo.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. Oh, you want to come and receive son? Don't disturb me. Oh, I dey do life. Oh, so you want to receive son, so you want to enter inside son for Obia son. Huh? Bring my movie tomorrow. Don't want them important. My movie is coming. Joy is coming. Joy is coming. Mona give me love and hate. Anyone would have given me. Whether you give me love or you give me hate.
It's not the online. It's not the online. It's not online. So WhatsApp straight, but you don't get online. Before we ring, the man will pick. So let's continue our video. So when the man pick, it's time so that we will let her know what's in the play. Alright.
Thank you, Emma, for the gift. Auntie Adikape community, over UK. Auntie Adikape, I will set up a Murphy and Co. Auntie Adikape, why ya winner? Why you be working Adikape ye webo? Why you be working Adikape? No, you winner get warpa. Why have your bow do? Why have your body government? Why Arabone? Why Adikape? Wagiki? Where you a fool? I'm at you with a video. I'm at better tea because a spirit in your a kid and wadole. Because I'm not with a live video. I'm at Benati away. What a boss said, Bola Dana, Frank and Onula, do you be? Who do you? Who wear it?
We actually say, who wear of the man, not another be. Can I say,
oh, where you are, where be? Oh, where be? Oh, bag me. Who make a fool?
Who wear of one?
When I don't fear United Kingdom for me, yes.
see and love him. I get to the Guachi. Yeah, this is so Tariana. Yeah, we was in a way where worry. Is your monkey? All of days are when here went here with Bob is your mom. Right, different body or a council. Here, Bob is your mom. Maybe your mom. Here, went here one love him. A body magic. All about a union of Pokemon. So, union of Brazil, of Brazil, and I want to body.
I wish to stay on the cafe. Ian told him, Nani wa Haron na kwana we media, anawali voice and a package and a United Nations ki doni nevi the Kenya we anjodo, ki ana claim sister handicapé. Eta wa moluwe, wera sevi and wetela na ogi no when na be cancel okparapa. Ono na be cancel wala de wa do atue. Ibie la diante do boy do atue be ibie bi bae. Wo hamia, ni age mi yamo. Wahamia wewe do hamia ni amie de mofia morena mi omise wewe do hamia wedia u ria kabania u we ojanriri ogba ore otis we atam we ami we na Mami wena. Uwe otwe ojuariri. Ogba ogo bi akaba. Imari akaba mayo. Baba ka egbono ri bi gida yo wori yen. Ah? That omoneli igi jouer no bi na akaba. Ige ojuariri. Ogba oge we mayo. Oyiwe do ladzia. Una duan. Ah? Maybe no one worry.
Where are we now?
And so fucking what?
You want a baby father will know
Yeah, why am I so get one in me giddy? Me not me adokuya lawa.
Oh, let me have you. No, se voy a babo. Ah, do confesse o conotinho. Vai meter mo opui. E vai meter o opui, não. O tinha o vai fiar na. Eu, o tinha do confesse mamá. O conotinho wa porque ali é ele, né, wa.
Hey. We.
Oh, male, me da.
Hello, gonna you sabba. Daniel na gwe mi obo na bo mi ewe abi na gwe mi obo Daniel good news is telling you. Voy a pagar, Or what? And I feel ya great besha. Or what in cars? Or what me cars zwa? Or what me car shop? Ave kai reni ado ya bori go bo no mamuni ya weregbe. Ave igoli ave minaga ni ya collect go boy. No ma vi oni bere gbe yan we ya keke ye wan ya. E na wan kwana for national peace today. Me me do abo zena allegedly o. Unu ya mehenda ona. Iga bo zena. Ya se gboti oni awo fija. Awe ta ya vola de wo to na file kwa. Ah! Oriri gbe kwome o. Oriri gbe kwome o. Oriri gbe kwome o. Ina doge mi de maso. Ina doge mi nu waso. Oriri gbe kwome o. Yi? Eri do e. Yi.
Switch off to today.
Bagé goan geto. Ge fie garave mama mare mama dame yo.
Ist das hier das Schnitzelparadies der Region? Ich bin heute in Chemnitz im Gasthaus zur Scheune.
This woman said the phone was switched off till that yesterday. Stop. Unfortunately, my phone is still on. I called him and the phone was ringing. It's not pick. You cannot be like say I decide the man. You cannot be like say I decide the man. Yes, son. And the man phone is the number is tissue. I know why we show you number. I'm not show you number. For sure, the person we asked for a man, he showed good, too good. What they show for WhatsApp, he showed.
That means
he didn't like WhatsApp. Call a man, the phone ring well.
Epic or the little. I'll hear you, Boma.
Let's go there. Let's listen to them. Thank you.
Almost 2 years. Why don't you let him go? Can you already move away?
Oh, wait 2 years, you might be the swag with the money. Or wake money. I'm not there. Or say wake money.
Oh, not stay 2 years and 6 months. No matter what, swag error.
Oh, your way no have money no buy you wire. That means ya dodo was so one. Only clear.
Mama me na there.
Ya dodo or give a dodo name, damn yo. Here we when you do give on the rebel body mammy do. Or give a so one ya dodo. Or we dodo na sonary lawa. Huh? And at the end of the day, anyway, money, only money he slave, money a boy labor, a money a boy that pop, a money, money work here, but
sorry, I want to get you. Oh, sorry. Oh, that body, I get it all, give it.
Because I went and came back. And now, in that one time with her, and I went, let me go. What is to move here? Open over here, or you're moving here, you must have waited where they do it. A man, I'm over here, or you're more, you should wear bill, your money. A man, all just a woman, Jerry, I really, all moving here, no Jim, no, you're with Ari, hospital, you may, a mortuary with a daughter. And you are here.
You see how useless and demonic this woman is? But they get simply the same part, the same more than 3 for Nigeria. They don't talk. They're the worst enemy. The questions she was asking was what she just did line. She did line the question with you. Understand? But she did blah. This is the way she did beg the question. Why you not tell me Nigeria? We hate you. But I'm not touching. If you say what Nigeria, what I do? Now, how they play video.
Yeah, we will get a laugh. Or where God did on me. Or me or here was a billions. Owa fi pebulu. No matter the budget in Nigeria.
I want a president pension.
Ya wegbesha. Ave zigi kuruni. Owo wa fi owo se billions. Amakene the original one roya fi ne ya the right no we ke egogoro gogodo.
E baba ochi no ya to ge. Edele no se we ya ba bogba se we fi an. Omo be wo pa ya gba agage. Wo ba ke fi to ni.
Ivie. Mi.
You don't mean it.
Okuna ito you don't mean it. Just imagine the capabilities. It's okay. Already I'm more you telling me too. Yeah, no, that I'm more you turning it. But who will go out on the Dama Mujagi Yamu job? Huh? Ivie, I am with you when I mustn't move you with you.
Maybe you are white by where you are 50-50 or coming out, when 50, men with 50.
I'm very sure because you ties a video way or two no boo. You ties a little way. And no tell them no more. Or tie no boo or that for me we really lawa. Oh, way or beer.
What? Oh, yeah, I go. Mamma, what I know in your power. Well, hell, yeah, I go. Or we are teaching. Well, we are sorry. About my or one.
About where 7 days. And it's your sister, you know, it's your brother, you know, you have right over her, you know, you have no right over her, you know, it's your mother, you know.
Maybe
thank you, the royal. Thank you for joining. See? Oh.
Maybe you make the house and make any say.
Oh, remember? Call me. Got that me?
Genießt den Moment. RSV könnte dies...
Oh, yeah, here, who, here, no one am ye car pack, or no one am ye, Yoko, one am ye buy. I'll say, call them, what, baby, go, like you do.